Hello everyone. Today we are in Chiang Mai Council Garden and we have a what do we have? We have a demi concourse event which you're gonna see right behind me. So this place was the home of the first British Council of Chiang Mai from 1921 to 1970. And this place is hosting all kinds of events. So this place was home of the 4th of July event for the American independence this year. Also, the Classic Car Club has meetings here every now and then. And it's right next to the Pink River, as you can see. Alright, so let's see the cars here, the lineup. So they will be judged by Frank and Mark. And they're gonna check the bodywork, under the hood, the trunk, the underside of the cars, tires, rims, electrical cables, safety equipment, and because it's a concourse event, originality plays a huge part. So there's gonna be 3 trophies: third place, second place, first place, and the fourth one is gonna be people's choice. So I'm gonna reveal the winners at the end of the video, so please enjoy.